cost 12,980 crores and the total outlay of works is 26,002, sir. Sir, about this, going further ahead, sir, मैं हैदराबाद के ताल्लुक से ये भी बोलूंगा सर कि हैदराबाद में CPP, sir, when Mr. Suresh Reddy was the speaker, sir, I still remember, I said, Suresh Reddy Saab, I was in my 20s. Now, then I said, I am in my, almost in my 40s. इतने साल से बोल रहा हूं, sir, चारमीनार pedestrianization का project, चारमीनार. तो he said, अकबर साहब, खुशखबरी है, अब चारमीनार बदलेगा, pedestrianization project होगा. 10 साल हथेली में जन्नत दिखाते रहे BRS. आ जाएगा. चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन प्रोजेक्ट नहीं हुआ सर. उस वक्त राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब, किरण कुमार रेड्डी साहब, रोशैया साहब, सब साहब बोले सर, नो अकबर, यंग मैन, आई रिमेंबर रोशैया साहब टेलिंग मी, यंग मैन, डोंट वरी, यंग मैन, डोंट वरी, चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन विल बी कंप्लीटेड, आई एम अश्योरिंग यू, यंग मैन. आई सेड, सर, आई रेस्पेक्ट यू सर. सर, तो अभी भी सर बजट में चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन के बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा गया. मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन को कंप्लीट करिए. सर, इट इज सच अ ब्यूटिफुल आर्किटेक्चरल, डिजाइन्स आर देयर सर. सर, आई हैव विजिटेड वेरियस सिटीज इन द वर्ल्ड सर, वेरियस सिटीज सर. सर, आई हैव बीन टू मिलान सर. द फैशन स्ट्रीट ऑफ मिलान रिजेंबल्स द सेम architecture of Pathargatti, sir. Why can't we restore our heritage and protect the heritage, sir? What is wrong in that, sir? Sir, I had proposed, a tramp also, sir. I spoken to a France company. They came, they met Mr. KTR Saab also when he was a Minister for Municipal Administration to run a tramp from Naya Pul to Charminar in the median which is there in Charminar. People think we do not want the old city to have development. No, we want the old city to develop, sir. But it is so unfortunate that let be any government, they do not want to improve the living standards of the people of old city. They do not want to improve, but at the same time, they call us. हमको चोर बोलते हैं. लाइट की चोरी हो रही है, अदानी को देंगे. अरे हम चोर नहीं हैं. ना चोरी होती है पुराने शहर में. हम नहीं करते हैं. सिर्फ इल्जाम लगाया जाता है. चोरी कहां नहीं है सर. चोरी कहां नहीं है. लीकेजेस है, पिल्फरेजेस है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से लेके एक कंज्यूमर को आए जब तक कई जगह पे. सर, आई हैव ऑल द डिटेल्स. आई हैव ऑल द डिटेल्स सर. आई विल हैव अ डिबेट इन द डिमांड ऑन पावर सर. बट सेइंग दैट कि नहीं, एक पायलट बेसिस पे दिया जाएगा सिर्फ ओल्ड सिटी को. क्यों ओल्ड सिटी को, क्यों कोडंगल को नहीं दिया जाएगा? क्यों तो उत्तम कुमार रेड्डी साहब के एरिया को नहीं दिया जाएगा? क्यों श्रीधर बाबी के एरिया को पायलट प्रोग्राम की तरह नहीं दिया जाएगा? क्यों नहीं? ओल्ड सिटी नहीं. इनको छुपाते रहना नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होगा. अरे आप तरक्की लाइए, खुशहाली लाइए, चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन लाइए. आप लाल बाजार का फसाद का डेवलपमेंट का जो काम है वो लाइए. चारमीनार के दवाखाने को जो डिलैपिलेटेड कंडीशन में वो लेकर आइए. मक्का मस्जिद और बागयाम की मस्जिद के इमामों को उनकी नौकरियों को रेगुलराइज कराइए, वो लाइए. अरे आप ये काम करिए, रोड वाइडनिंग करिए. सर, देयर आर मेनी इश्यूज सर. देयर आर मेनी इंपॉर्टेंट इश्यू व्हेन आई एम स्पीकिंग अबाउट GHMC सर. The major problem the residents of Hyderabad are facing as of now is a traffic jam, sir. What is the speed, sir? What is the speed a vehicle is moving, sir? What are the kilometers that we are covering in an hour, sir? Alternate roads. Sir, these people, they developed only Gachibowli and that area. They never developed old city, sir. पूरा हजारों रुपया वहीं डाले. सर, SNDP, SRDP, सर, इसमें भी नाला डेवलपमेंट आया था. हमने फ्लाईओवर्स का दिया. मेरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में हाफिज बाबा नगर में, बल्लागुड़े में फ्लाईओवर जब दियो बोलते KTR साहब बोलते थे, अकबर भाई दे देंगे आपको, दे दिए, जियो हो गया भाई काम. बोले भाई नेक्स्ट उसमें ले लेंगे. होते होते साहब अब मैं बूढ़ा होने आ गया, सब व्हाइट बाल हो रहे हैं. सर अब सर एटलीस्ट सर I expect that Revant Reddy Saab, who's a very good friend of mine, Yes. Yes, I want to come on record. Yes. Yes, I want to come on record. I want to come on record. Yes. He's a very good friend of mine. Not now. From not now. It goes back to some 35, 40 years back. We are very good friends. Yes. We are very good friends. And my friendship will be there with him. Personal level. But at the same time, as the leader of MIM and he being the leader of the house, I am going to do my responsibility and I am sure he will also do his responsibilities. By hearing to me, by listening to me, by accepting the criticism and trying to do the work which has not been done from so many long years. Yes, sir. I hope that, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, about Dalit Bandhu के checks दिए हैं, sir. मैं हुकूमत से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा दलित बंधु का दीजिए, sir. Sir, tribal welfare, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, I want to bring to the kind notice of Honorable Chief Minister Saab a very important thing. My learned friend, Mr. Uttam Kumar Reddy Saab is also there. Sir, I'll just read out one thing and then I'll say that, sir. Sir, the Dalit Bandhu scheme was virtually put on hold after Congress government came to power. Sir, lakhs of applications were there. It was stopped. In 23-24 financial year, BRS government has allotted 17,700 crores for Dalit Bandhu as against the previous year expenditure of rupees 2,000 crores. However, not a single rupee was given for this, sir. Sir, ये इसके बारे में हो गया, sir. Tribal welfare, SC, ST, SDF, sir. So the state budget 24-25, Bhatti Saab has allocated 33,124 crores for SC, SDF and 17,056 crores for ST, SDF, totaling rupees 50,180 crores, which is really a massive amount. Which is really. Yes, sir. Sir, we hope and trust the government will sincerely and effectively spend all the allocated funds under SC, ST, SDF, since there was huge shortfall in the expenditure on both SDF in 23-24 financial year. The SC, SDF allocation was 36,750 crores, but the actual expenditure was only rupees 14,649 crores, 23-24. The ST, SDF allocation was rupees 50,233 crores, and the actual expenditure was only 10,399 crores, and 23-24, sir. The total allocation under SC, ST, SDF for the year 23-24 was 51,983 crores, but the expenditure was only 25,048 crores, sir. So this is the real allocation. I don't know whether the government is aware. Sir, with your kind permission, sir, I may be given a permission just to show this one thing, sir. Sir, here, national channels from last 2 days, they are running a scroll and having a debate saying that SC, ST's allocations have been reduced and minorities have been given 3,000. They were carrying the figures which were given by INPR from your department, sir. Isme, they gave wrong figures. From your department, they gave wrong figures. And not one challenge, sir. Even Doordarshan carried this stating that कि SC, STs के पैसों को कम करके मुसलमानों को दे दिया गया. And no clarification was issued from the government side. So you see, sir, what is written here? Meme, Bheem, empty slogan. Minorities first, not SC, STs. 33 crore allocation for Ramzan celebration. You see? Sir, we have to have a department which would immediately give a clarification to these newspapers and say that no, the actual allocation is this. We haven't reduced the allocation for SC, STs. In fact, we have increased the allocation. It's wrong what they are saying. But it wasn't said, sir. आप देखिए, sir. ये कितनी खराब बात है. Not one channel, sir. 7-8 channels, debate, सब हो रहे हैं. Doordarshan also said. So INPR department, this is why I say, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, this is why I say there should be a check on the bureaucrats and the concerned department. They should be held responsible for the figures which they are giving to the minister and which minister is spelling out in this house and which is getting printed. कैसा बताइए आप?